how Kerala perceives movement of people and goods throughout the state. Along with KMRL and WRI India, the Government of Kerala present to you this workshop as a platform to facilitate the exchange of ideas and experience for improving rural-urban connectivity. Bring in the new technologies, innovate funding and operating mechanisms, and to promote a roadmap or shared visions towards achieving electric mobility targets in the state.
Unless free and easy movements is possible, there is no mobility. Therefore, when we talk of mobility, impetus should be on ensuring that movement is free and easy. Kerala is a state that attracts a large number of tourists throughout the year, and that also has to be taken into account when we discuss mobility. We also need to focus on the fact that in Kerala, our highly health conscious general public keep coming to the cities from their dwelling places on a regular basis for better medical care. As we rethink mobility in cities and towns of Kerala, we need to consider all these factors: the rising population, the heavy influx of tourists, and the regular movement of patients. This government has realized that a standard design guidelines for roads and streets in Kerala, prioritizing pedestrians, non-motorized transport users, and public transport above personalized motor vehicles, will bring about improved livability to our cities and towns, as well as better accessibility. In short, while enabling the free and easy movement of a large number of people, we need to realize international standards and ensure accessibility to all. To me, these are the challenges that need to be primarily addressed through this workshop. As far as the government is concerned, we acknowledge that a quick and convenient transportation system is an absolute necessity for a modern society. We are leaving no stone unturned in our efforts to complete our infrastructural projects. As you all know, the first phase of Kochi Metro became operational in record time. Kannur Airport is set to become one of the biggest airports in India once it becomes operational later this year. While transportation facilities are essential, it cannot be at the cost of our environment. Sustainable mobility solutions are encouraged in the present world precisely because of that understanding. As Kerala has a long coastline and numerous inland water bodies like rivers and lakes, the development of national waterways and the construction of Kochi Water Metro has been initiated as part of the development of the water transport sector, which is waste-free and less accident-prone. Once it is complete, people can travel throughout the length of Kerala's coast. It will go a long way in decongesting our roads and reducing pollution too, apart from benefiting our tourism sector. We have also been able to introduce solar-powered boats, demonstrating our commitment to environment and sustainability. Light Metro is our effort to reduce traffic congestion and pollution in our cities. Efforts are on to develop our national highways on international standards as well, in order to enable free and easy movement of people and goods. The maintenance of our state's district roads as well as rural roads along with the smart road project is already being implemented. Even while doing all this, we have ensured that there will not be any kind of corruption in public works and have taken up social audit of such works. Internationally, big infrastructural projects have come under fire for encouraging corrupt practices. We, on the other hand, are ensuring that transparency is upheld at every level of such projects. The LDF government is absolutely seized of the necessity for a comprehensive program that ensures urban mobility. We realize that public transport is the key to achieving that as well. That is why we have taken up the mammoth task of reorganizing and revitalizing our KSRTC. Our efforts include rationalization of the workforce and increasing efficiency of the fleet, providing professional training for the staff and ensuring timely maintenance of the vehicles will go a long way in achieving our goals. While the mobility solutions that I have highlighted as our achievements primarily deal with transporting people, we also ought to think of smart and sustainable mobility solutions when it comes to transporting goods. Linking our several small ports and developing our railway networks will undoubtedly go a long way in achieving that.